enchilada chicken soup. To make this incredibly quick, simple soup, you will need green enchilada sauce, chicken broth, shredded cooked chicken, half and half or cream cheese, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, salsa verde, and desired garnishes such as avocado, tortilla chips, and fresh cilantro. You could even throw in some quick pickled radishes if you like. In a soup pot over medium heat, combine the enchilada sauce and the chicken broth. And then add the shredded chicken, the half and half or cubed cream cheese, and most but not all of the shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Stir and cook the mixture gently. You don't want it to boil, but you want the cheese to melt and you want the chicken to heat through. If you would like a creamier soup, you can use both half and half and cream cheese. I wanted it brothier with more of the bright flavor of the salsa verde, so I only used half and half. But if you want it creamy, by all means, use both. And that's it. That is how simple, how easy, and how fast this soup is to make. Once it reaches your desired serving temperature, it's done. Serve it in individual bowls and garnish as desired. I served mine with tortilla chips, avocado, cilantro, big spoonful of salsa verde, and of course more shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Here's a rundown of those ingredients again, and a bonus recipe for green enchilada sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.